done. Game 7. Again, thank you for everything, Fitz. I'm telling you how to blast this season. Travel, the golf, the dinners, this team, and you as a partner, just absolutely fantastic as Şengün clothesline Steph. Steph's incredible, isn't he? Like the stuff that the amount of different coverages and defenders he has to deal with, and he does it with so much grace, flows through it so mentally tough. Get frustrated and dwelling on non-calls and everything, the holding off the ball. He's so
Ayan, naka-ready na, oh. Susuotin niya. For the bay. Malungkot sila.
Okay.
Like the last game 7 Steph played in, he got 50 points. That was what that game needed. 21 points and counting. Makes his free throw is what this game did with the 7 assists and the 10 rebounds. He had 10 rebounds. He had a leading rebounder for the Warriors tonight. The 6-seed Minnesota and the 7-seed Warriors. They're tough. Well, matchup starting Tuesday. Warriors beat Minnesota 3 of the 4 regular season meetings, but the Timberwolves have been fantastic down the stretch and into the playoffs, beating the Lakers. Şengün missing there. Out of bounds to Houston. And Draymond says, challenge that. Why not? You have an extra challenge. They give it to the Rockets before the challenge. The Warriors are playing in the final seconds. Warriors aren't your average 7 seed. And the Timberwolves aren't your average 6 seed. Steph and Draymond. They're 4-2 now in game 7s in their career. Jimmy Butler will be 3-2.
Oh! Sino nag-shoot?
Another 3 for 33. Buddy Hield was not satisfied. Oh my goodness.
3 points din sila.
Never cooled off. Right now,
Ba't naka-pink silang sapatos? Parang
Warriors are going to use a timeout.
Aba, pink ba silang lahat?
Parang, talaga.
Give the Warriors credit. All-around team, like the starters, were in kill mode.
No?
Think about Buddy Hield 33, but Jimmy Butler worked his way to
No,
28
kasi
points. And Draymond Green got
sold out kasi ang ticket nila, kaya nag-ano pa, game 7.
points. You know what? But amazing.
Dito sa kabila, oo.
So, the scoring of Buddy Hield and Steph will be celebrated. But holding the Rockets
Ayun
to
yung pink na yan,
40%
parang
shooting,
maganda ng
only
pagkakas.
8
Pink ba yan? Purple?
Parang
battling on the
siya.
glass.
Oo, parang push.
Chance points.
Spell! Pink na lang.
Maming!
Aming!
His all-world contest. I mean, he's defending at the dribble. Most defenders are good inside, right? Or good outside. What are the He's testing outside and inside and beating people and things. Like everybody for the Warriors. Like Draymond has to slide over. Kajimski's there
Nako,
to take the
I think,
shot. You're in tune, moving on his
nung si
feet.
Justin maliit pa, ang dami kong nagastos dyan.
Fouling for the most part. Yeah, they shot 21 free
No,
throws.
totoo.
They kind of fouled him at the right time. Wow, this is exactly what this game
Baby.
was. Were saying, we want to play meaningful basketball.
Ah!
At the postseason, this is meaningful. That's
Sabi niya makakapag-stay sa Road Texas Roadhouse.
Wow!
3 in game 7 for Buddy Hield. He said it came
Tumaya ka ba dyan? Sayang.
the smile.
Kunyari lang yan, hindi tumaya. Kung may kayanan, hindi yan masasabi.
Have a game like this. Oh my goodness, exactly what the doctor ordered. Warriors won the
Sige,
regular season
papangat mo lang kayo dyan.
series 22.
Play na lang.
They're gonna win the postseason.
You got it, Warriors! Congratulations! Woo! Yay! Woo, 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 woo!
Rockets have won 2 games in a row. They had a lot of momentum.